Hello and welcome back to my channel RA Education. I am your mentor Rishba. Again I am here with very interesting topic. Do you know? What does it mean by epidemiology? So, let's get started. Friends, epidemiology is the study and analysis of the distribution, patterns and determinants of health and disease conditions in a defined population. It is a cornerstone of public health, and shapes policy decisions and evidence-based practice by identifying risk factors for disease and targets for preventive healthcare. Epidemiologists play a crucial role in the field of public health, collecting and analyzing data about injury, disease, and other negative health outcomes and using that data to identify trends. Do you know? When a disease occurs in a population, epidemiologists help us to understand where the disease is coming from, and who it is most likely to impact. The information gathered can then be used to control the spread of the disease and prevent future outbreaks. Dear students, the three major epidemiologic techniques are descriptive, analytic, and experimental. Although all three can be used in investigating the occurrence of disease, the method used most is descriptive epidemiology. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below, subscribe to the button, hit the notification bell. If you have any question, feel free to contact me and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching, my friends.